Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can change your user or account password in the SoloLearn application on mobile in 2026. So let us begin. Alright, so let me launch the SoloLearn app on my device, on my Android. So on Android it works the following way. What you will need to do is make sure that you're logged into your account on SoloLearn. Tap into profile or in the profile icon here in the bottom right corner. Next, what you want to do guys is navigate to these three lines in the top left and select settings from the bottom of that menu here. And here navigate to the account settings at the top, swipe down till you get to change password. And here guys, simply enter your new password here. Make sure that you confirm it here below, of course without making any typos, and save it or confirm it by clicking or tapping into save here. Make sure that you memorize it so that you can log in with it again next time with that new password. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.